When in an accident, your insurance will take care of some things, but if you don't have the right coverage, you could be paying more out of your pocket than you realize. AJ Law is here to give us some tips on protecting yourself, even from your insurance company. And there he is, Mr. AJ. How are you, AJ?
Thank you, Brad. Thanks for having me. I'm doing great, and I'm excited to be here.
Yeah, and I'm glad you're going by AJ Law because we're going to say your name, and I'm not good at names, but go ahead and tell them what you go by. Actually.
Abdul Jaiteh, known as AJ.
There you go.
And it's much simpler. Many people understood it that way.
Where are you from?
I'm from Gambia in West Africa. Not many people know about Gambia because we are not at war.
So
that's a good thing. Because they tell you about countries in Africa when there's something going bad.
You're right.
But nobody knows about Gambia, and I'm happy that way because that means it's peaceful.
That's nice. I like that. Well, I'll tell you, you're here because, again, people are back on the road. People have cut back on their insurance when it comes to cars or anything like that, which is not the smartest thing right now because, again, they might not be protected, especially if they get into a car accident, right?
That's right. There are a lot of things that we don't know about insurance. So we take this opportunity to educate the public about insurance. Before I tell you a little bit more about insurance, I actually call Arizona home now. I've been here for almost a decade. I did all my education back in Colorado, then moved here with my family. And I've been in insurance actually since 2003. I started as a claims adjuster for many years, and then once I got my law license, I became an insurance defense lawyer. So I know all about insurance.
That's good.
If you're in an accident, you're thinking somebody else caused the accident, and they have money in their policy to pay for you. But then in the valley, you will realize sometimes some people actually don't have insurance. So if they run into you, they don't have insurance, what do you do?
Right, and that's where your team comes in. But also, which is very important, we said about protecting you from your own insurance company, which is I mean, they're there for you, but also they're there for themselves. So again, you might be having to fight your own insurance company.
That's right. You have to buy a coverage called uninsured motorist or underinsured motorist from your own insurance company. Because if somebody else caused the accident and they don't have enough money to pay you, that means they are underinsured to the level of the case value that you have. Yeah. So if you have underinsured motorists, your insurance will pay the excess for you for your bodily injuries. Many people will think I have bodily injury coverage, but that bodily injury is to protect somebody else. It's not protecting you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I didn't realize that because I just redid insurance and I was looking at that. I mean, thank goodness I did get both of those.
Yes.
It is costing a little bit more money, but in the long run, AJ, I have to say, I won't have to come see you, right?
It's really worth it. Some people, even when they have the coverage, they actually can't get the money from the insurance. You have to get a lawyer to help you make the case that you are entitled to that money. That's where we come in as personal injury lawyers. We can assist you work your case the right way so you can establish the facts, the damages that you can prove for your insurance to pay you back for the value of your case, for the underinsured motorist or an uninsured motorist.
Got it.
So there are two different coverages that are confusing to the public. One is underinsured, meaning whoever caused the accident doesn't have enough money to pay you. Or uninsured motorist, whoever caused the accident has no insurance at all, or they fled the scene. So now you're out of luck if you didn't have these coverages with your own insurance.
Got it.
So you come to us, we help set up the case for you, we work with you and assist you to recover what you're entitled. Yes, the insurance is not gonna pay you just because you called them, hey, I was in a hit and run, I'm injured, I have 100,000 in medical bills. They're not gonna pay you.
Yeah.
You have to get a lawyer to establish the facts and the damages with the insurance to get paid.
Got it. And what's so also great is that they can come to you even before they're in an accident to sit and talk to you to go over this kind of stuff. And that's what you really like them to come do, is talk with you so that way you can guide them in the right way.
Yes, so it's being proactive. That's really important. So in society, just like lawyers, we tell people, before you sign that contract, talk to your lawyer first. But then when you sign the contract, there are problems later, then you call your lawyer. Lawyer's like, well, I told you don't sign until you talk to them. Same thing with insurance coverage. Before you get in an accident, anybody watching now, you're not in an accident today. You need to talk to your lawyer or an agent. Make sure you have the right amount of coverage, because if you wait till you get in an accident, it's too late. The coverage is not retroactive.
Got it.
So you have to get it now before. And we all tend to think, oh, I'm a safe driver, it's not going to happen. But you can't trust someone else is a safe driver.
Yeah.
They will run into you. And
Right.
one thing I would like to add, for motorcycle accidents, if you're in a motorcycle accident, you can be assured you're going to break a bone. And you're going to go to the emergency, and you're probably there in a couple of days.
Yeah.
And you're going to have over $100,000 in medical bills.
Wow.
How in the world can you trust that someone else who caused the accident has $100,000 to pay your medical
bills.
expenses? They don't. That's why you buy underinsured and uninsured motorists, and it doesn't cost much. I checked with an agent this morning.
Yeah.
He said it costs an average of $20 to $50 extra per month.
That's it.
That's it.
I like
and you could buy $100,000 of coverage,
And you're all set.
and you're all set.
AJ, tell them where they can find you.
They can find us at ajlawplc.com. We're in Google, Facebook, Yahoo, Yelp, on Instagram. It's very easy to find us.
I like it. I like this is awesome. AJ, do me a favor. Say we'll be back with more Arizona Daily Mix in your native tongue. Do it for me.
O yilene rinia ona kacha ona higebe konakada kagama kebetu. Thank you, Brad. It's
We'll be
really a
back.
pleasure having you. Thank you.